To check your account balance on Byblos Bank Switzerland, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you access your account information easily and securely. Step 1. Visit the Byblos Bank Switzerland website. Open your web browser and go to the official Byblos Bank Switzerland website. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure your security. Step 2. Log into online banking. Locate the online banking login section on the homepage. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, you may need to register first. Step 3. Navigate to Account Overview. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Select your account. In the Account Overview section, you will see a list of your accounts. Click on the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This will display detailed information about the account. Step 5. Review your balance. After selecting your account, your current balance will be displayed along with recent transactions. Make sure to log out of your account after checking your balance for security purposes. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Byblos Bank Switzerland. Always ensure you are using secure connections when accessing your banking information.